Doing some cooking on the truck. First time ever using a panini press. Threw a tortilla down, giving it a little preheat. As for one, I had to go off and find the plates. I couldn't remember where I put them. Okay. A little bit of salami, Colby Jack, tender turkey cuts, and I'm going to try to go off and make it into a kind of a crunch wrap situation. See how it goes. Alright. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm probably going to end up putting another tortilla on over the top. But we'll see. Okay, I went off and started another one without pre-toasting. Cheese started melting in it, so it helps holding that. And that's better closed up, so I'll be able to do a little bit more with that. Go off and give that a sit. And this turkey tenders, smoked turkey tender from a truck stop, Road Ranger truck stop. Anyhow, in the middle of trying to go off and get my tortillas, I forgot the Powerade was sitting in front, so I had Powerade go off and jump out at me, so I gotta go off and find a runaway Powerade. But first, may the meat be with you. They call me Paladin, and Paladin's Meats. I'll post this on both accounts and on my YouTube, Paladin's Meats, Eats, and Drinks. Definitely could have let it sit longer to melt the cheese better, but I could crunch it without the corn cut truss in there. So if you died on the road or just at home want to do it, it works. Going to give that a look. I'll give that a cross grill pattern that way. Set the back down. With a few more minutes of cross grill, we see how that's going.